In this video, I'm going to show you how to give yourself XP in Minecraft. So first of all, we just go and access my board. Of course, first of all, if you are playing on Minecraft's Bedrock, once you're creating your world, make sure that you allow commands. If you're not allowing commands, you'll not be able to give yourself, of course, using a command. For Java, you'll be able to change that on the settings on the game. For Bedrock, you cannot. You can just do it once you create your world. So as an example now, you can just go to your settings, click on open LAN, allow commands, and click on start menu. So in here, example for me, I'm just going to do like slash, so type T, then slash, and here just type XP, add, then the username is example of the person that you want to give XP, which is my username. And here you can just choose how many levels or points. So if you go and choose levels, as example, this will give exact the levels. So example, I added 100 level and the 100 levels are added. I can choose points instead, as example, and this will just add me 100 points. So let me just go here and type levels example, and I'll be able to add another 100 levels. Just as simple as that. This is how you give yourself XP. This is basically for the Java edition. For the Bedrock edition, I'll not switch to Bedrock, but I'll show you just the command. So you can just go and do slash XP space 100 L, and here basically enter at S. This should give you an example. Again, of course L stands for levels, and it will give you an example 100 level again in Bedrock edition. And of course you can use like your name is set, because an example, what S means? S means for yourself, and at P is example. So let me just go and show you. So add. So if we do at P as example, P means the closest player. For S, it means yourself. So example 100 levels. As you can see, it's added to myself even if I do S. And for P, it's going to be the closest player, of course. And it's going to be to myself again because I'm the only person in this server. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Of course, one thing before I end the video, if you want to reset it to back to 0, just go and instead of add, you can choose here set. And set an example, you can just do here 0. And it will set it to 0 again. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.